Do you think that lowering interest rates could somehow boost consumer spending, trigger the economy?
Well, it could stimulate in a way. However, we also have to take a look at what the U.S. is doing with its interest rate. They're also expected to bring down their interest rate. So once the interest rate in the U.S. goes down and the Philippines go down, it's going to be a matter of choice for investors. Where do you invest? In a dollar in
Ah,
asset or a Philippine asset? Remember, the peso is also declining in value. We're a little. We yesterday we hit 59. Once the Philippine peso to dollar exchange rate hits 60, that is going to be very, very, very troublesome for the Philippine economy.
and what do you think's been causing the weakening of the peso? Is it also linked to this flood control scandal?
Yes, it looks like everything now is linked
Kabit-kabit
to
na.
the Philippine
Oo.
corruption scandal. Confidence of investors in the Philippines has weakened tremendously. So, in the past few months, the Philippine peso has become a target. And also when the Philippine debt starts hitting us, well, it actually had already hit us. Remember, the threshold used to be like 60% of the GDP was the threshold for Philippine debt. Now, they increased it to more than 60%. We are now at about 62, 63%. We cannot just declare that the threshold has been increased and people will not react. People are reacting. Can the Philippine economy really handle that kind of debt, that much debt? That's a heavy burden on the Philippines. Remember, the debt service almost hit 2 trillion. Yeah. Uh, we have a budget of about 6 trillion to increase to about 6.7 trillion. When 2 trillion goes to debt service, that's a big loss to the Philippine economy at this time. The debt service is paying for financing that we used to fund projects from before. It is not financing development today and the next few years. So that is going to be a big headache for our Philippine economic managers.